What if I told you I let artificial intelligence run my entire social media for a month without lifting a finger? Sounds like a bad sci-fi plot, right? But that's exactly what I did, and the results were absolutely wild. Hey, welcome to Howfinity! If you're new, I go down the rabbit hole of tech tutorials and AI experiments that'll make you question reality. For 30 days I handed over my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it, to AI. That's right, every post, every reply, even my DMs, all powered by algorithms. Did I regret it? Stick around. So let's talk setup. I picked the biggest names in the game. ChatGPT for captions, SocialBee to actually schedule the posts, and Jarvis AI to plan the content. Setting it all up took maybe 20 minutes, a couple of clicks, a few logins, and boom, I was officially irrelevant to my own accounts. Now here's where it gets interesting. The AI started cranking out captions, scheduling content, even writing back to my followers. I didn't have to do a thing. But I kept watching, slightly terrified. Would people notice? Would anyone care? The first week it was like magic. My posts were going up like clockwork, comments and likes were rolling in, and my notifications were lighting up 24/7. It honestly felt like I'd secretly hired the best social media manager ever. 5,000 likes here, 2,000 comments there, numbers I'd usually have to work for now on autopilot. But then things got weird. I started noticing the AI was a little perfect. Replies to comments started sounding, well, robotic. Some responses were so formal, like, "Thank you for your input, I appreciate your engagement." Who talks like that? And sometimes the AI would randomly blurt out stuff that made zero sense, like, "I love pizza" on a post about productivity hacks, and it got kinda awkward, like watching a robot try to make small talk at a party. There were moments I cringed so hard I wanted to unplug everything, but I reminded myself, it's still learning. So, was it a win? Let's check the scoreboard. The AI kept everything running. Posts were consistent, engagement was up, and yeah, I gained way more followers than usual. But as for real connection, actual conversations, not so much. Turns out no matter how good the tech is, it still can't fake a real human vibe, at least not yet. If you're tempted to let AI take the wheel on your socials, give it a shot. Just don't expect perfection. Unless you're cool with your DMs sounding like they came from a customer service bot. Want to see more wild AI experiments and tech that actually changes the game? Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment. Would you trust AI with your social media? Thanks for watching, and if you're curious about what else AI can do, don't miss my next video. How AI can write your homework for you. See you there.